guys, this looks really nice and sharp, fat, ugly and very aggressive. We still haven't finished with it. So we've got a little polishing here and there to do to it. Other than that, everything's been put back together apart from the rear diffuser. We're gonna do that in the morning. Put it together. Just gotta put the exhaust end pieces in there and some screws underneath, and also some adhesive at the top in order to line it up. Side extensions are looking really nice, and the bonnet just makes the rest of the car. So yeah guys, once I've done the diffuser, I'm gonna make a proper little video of it, and hopefully I'll catch you guys back in a bit. Alright guys, welcome back. Just putting some adhesive on this thing. A lot of people do take these off and do it, and I just put it next to it so it's a bit easier. Got both of the side edges on first. Okay. Go in there. Yeah, I just feel it's a bit easy. I'm used to it doing it like this, so. It works better for me like this. Trying to get a bit on the side so I can go in the center and just lift it up, then just goes right flush next to it. You don't need loads on there, but normally just waste the tube anyways. drop some in the center. And squash between the both parts. Nice and even. Go all the way across it. I have put some tape around it so it doesn't smudge everywhere else. So good. I just feel that it's a bit neat. It's a bit more neater to do it like this. You normally have it off the car. Most of the time you do that, but it's a straightforward thing to put on. These become a bit of a ball ache putting them on like that. You end up smudging all the adhesive more on the bottom of the bumper than the actual lip itself. You mostly just need to get it on the top part of it. Once this thing dries up, it's really good anyways. You can put shitloads in there. The only problem is once you actually push it on there, it'll just push back out, which is a good thing. That, if you look at it right in the center now, it's all even in there. It's nice and even all the way along. So all I'm going to do to this is now lift it up a bit and push it on there so it gets a better grip. Look at there. Put a couple of bolts in from underneath and just with my finger I run a nice little bead. So it actually looks like a nice rubber bead on there. Be more of a neater job. Yeah, that's pushed really nice on there. Main thing is the adhesive should grab both sides. So that's that. What we do with these corners is put a clamp on it. Small little clamp on it. Just to hold it in place. Some of these places where you got a lot in, you just want to close them nicely. Are you happy with? You don't need to force anything. And then just put a little more on top, clean it off properly. We're going to do the same thing with the other side. Put a little. Good enough in level. Now what I can do is just fill in the empty gaps and wipe it clean a little. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is start from the back here, fill a little in there. Create a nice little bead. Not enough at the bottom anyway. As you can see, becoming a nice little clean bead. Where it's already got enough, you don't gotta worry too much about that. Just adding a little to it so you can wipe it clean afterwards. There's enough on the out of there, a bit more here. Listen, do me a favor. Grab this. Oh, actually, hold on. Why is it that phones have to start going off as soon as you're in the middle of a bloody job? Alright guys, we're gonna cut it off here for a couple of seconds. So here we are. What I'm doing is I've used a little acetone just in order to push the sealer into place so I can get a bit of a clean finish. And what's not in place can go in place. Acetone works really well on adhesive. Not something you can buy from everywhere, but if you can get your hands on a little, it'll do a nice job. Okay, I'm here to bend a bit more tissue. Only a little on there. the sealer in place. And after that, you're more or less done kind of thing. All you gotta do after that is make sure there's enough pushed on there. Looks like it's in place. You know what normally works well is the gloves, but I've just ran out of them, so I'm gonna have to probably just use my finger with it. The tissue's too coarse. That look good enough.
Yeah, that's hang on.
Does that look shit?
No, it looks good. Looks like it's fell in place.
Now I've got an ugly finger. The sealer on it. Ugly finger, the sealer on it. Put this stuff away. What I do with this finger is put a bit of acetone, shove it in there, take this stuff off. Well, a lot of you guys, please wear gloves. I've just ran out, so I didn't have a choice. It's a Sunday, so I've had to do a little compromising. Alright guys, we're taking this thing off. I'm just taking it off while it's wet, so it doesn't get stuck on there. This normally takes a few hours to dry anyway, but just in case kind of thing. Stuck almost. Clamp on there. Right. Same with this side. That looks bad, does it?
Yeah, looks good.
This is all beaded up. I had a couple of small ones come off with the masking tape, but you don't bother with them basically. You don't try to smear these because it's just gonna get worse. As soon as they dry off a little, they're like rubber, just take them off basically. Right, but other than that, I've just created a nice little bead. I've got to stick 2 10mm nut and bolts underneath. Right, normally there's a couple of grommets which go on there, but it's a Sunday today. I need to get the car out as well, so I can't really grab any grommets from anywhere at the moment. So I'm just gonna put these in. It's just one on each side. And a quick 10mm spanner on it. Should do the job. Okay, one on that side. Put one on this side. Put a nut and bolt. There's a nice steel bracket underneath it, so it holds it up nice and really, really good. That's that. All we're gonna do is hopefully pop one screw in here for it to hold. Alright. Well, what I'll do is I'll let it dry up before I do that. I'll let it just dry up before I do that. I'll let that dry off first properly. And just one hole and 2 little small reflectors go in there, and that's it. Now I've got to put 2 exhaust pipe end pieces, and that should do the job. Welcome back, guys. Just finished putting these little exhaust bits on at the back of the diffuser. They've been connected now. Alright, it's looking really, really good basically. So this side is off. I've had these lying around in the garage. It says GT on there at the top of the actual tips, but they're just normal 2 tips I've added onto the original exhaust. The original exhaust is obviously right inside, which is not visible. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Just a couple of small bits and bobs left. Basically the wiper arms need going on, maybe the rear number plate, and a couple of these little dust flaps which go at the back of the arches, and 2 little reflectors. Hopefully we'll do that on Monday. Now it's getting pretty late today. Right, so but other than that, it's come out pretty good from what it was to this. I don't think you can go wrong with this. That looks like a monster basically. Right, so hopefully I'm gonna update you guys at some point on Monday. I got this all cleaned up. We're still waiting on the wheels. I have got some racing dynamic rims, but I don't want to put them on this basically, right, because I'll have to put wheel spacers on there, right? But we have ordered something for these, but still haven't got any reply from these guys, but still waiting up on them. Hopefully when the wheels come I'm going to change them, but for now these standard ones will do. They'll get him back on the road. He needs to use the car obviously for work as well. But yeah, I'm pretty chuffed with this. Job's come out. The black really goes nice with the actual red color. But yeah guys, it's late tonight. I'm gonna call it a day, so hopefully we'll update you at some point on Monday. Right guys, this is the end of the project. It's all come out mean and aggressive. It looks really good. The results are in front of you. Still waiting on the wheels. It's come out really brilliant. The panoramic roof really goes with the rest of the car. All the actual black goes with the car. Sills really set them off nice. The door handles all blacked out, along with the petrol cap, wheels, top of the spoiler, rear diffuser. So that looks really aggressive. Still gotta put these badges on the spoiler, but other than that, the vents, they look out really nice. The front of the grille. So yeah guys, that's the end of the project. Please do subscribe. All questions are welcome. God bless and see you till next time.